Student assistant positions are offered and paid by Stony Brook University departments and are open to any Stony Brook student with a Social Security number, regardless of their financial aid package, year in school, or citizenship. Students in these positions may work a maximum of 29 hours a week among all positions. Federal Work Study is offered through the Federal Campus-Based Aid Program and provides qualifying students employment opportunities to fund their college education. Federal Work Study salaries vary, depending on how much the student is granted and how many hours they will be working per week. These students may work up to a total of 40 hours a week. Students may only apply to work-study positions if they have received work-study funding. Students who are hired for federal work study receive 100% compensation from their financial aid package. In other words, if you hire a work study student for your department, you will not need to pay the student out of your departmental budget. The main difference between student assistants and work study students is the way they are paid. Student assistants are paid from your department's budget. Work study students are not paid from your department's budget. When creating an assignment in Solar for the student, please do not forget to use different job codes. For student assistant positions, please use job code 1971. For federal work study positions, please use job code 1721. If you are unsure how much work study funding a student has, you must first go into Solar, go to the Manage Student Workforce tab, and select SA/FWS Clearance Panel. Once you are in the Clearance Panel, put in the student's ID number, and it will tell you if the student has work study and how much funding they have for that particular semester. If you have any questions regarding student assistance or federal work study students, please contact the Career Center. If you have particular questions regarding federal work study, you may contact the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarship Services. If you have questions about payroll and timesheets, please contact Human Resources. If you have any questions regarding international students, please contact Visa and Immigration Services.